What's up, lawn nerds? Glad to have you back for another week. This one, all about bugs and what we can do with them in the lawn. Let's go. So bugs in the lawn, can we do much about it? Yeah, I think we can put a dent in it. We're gonna try it. It's experimental lawn. Let's see what we can find. But the thing is, you're not gonna get the results of hiring a professional. That's just obvious. But I'll show you what we're gonna try. And it's pretty simple. It's something that I picked up from Home Depot. What it is, some Ortho, you can see that right there, Ortho, some Bug B Gon. It's gonna be a 3-month protection insect killer for lawns. Kills all listed home invading insects. So this bag treats, obviously, as you can see, 10,000 square feet, and this is the main thing that it says that it's gonna catch: the ants, the fleas, the ticks, chinch bugs, spiders, cutworms, mole crickets, and sod webworms. So that's about the major stuff that I'm going to encounter. Basically, since we got the dogs, I really wanted it for the fleas and ticks and the spiders. I don't like the spiders getting into the house very much, so we're gonna see if it cuts it out. All right, so on the back, obviously this is a 3-month protection, guaranteed killer, your money back. Good luck really judging that and proving that it didn't work. So it says it's fast acting, treats up to 10K. So where did I see this? Right here's your spreader your spreader settings for, of course, always Scott's. It's going to tell you, if I see if I can get it in there a little better. For a drop spreader, of course, we don't use that. Speedy Green or an Edge Guard. Now this is where you kind of got to read down the line here. If you're doing 1 pound per 1,000, we're going to set it at 3, 2 pounds, 4.5, 4 pounds is 6 1/4. So where did I find this over here? Oh, right here in the lawns area. This is kind of hard to read, but I'll show you guys. Using your spreader, basically uniformly apply 1 to 2 pounds over 1,000 square feet, leaving 1 foot wide untreated strip next to the lawn, hard surfaces, sidewalks, blah, 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 blah. For season-long 3-month protection, apply 4 pounds of product for every 1,000. That's what we want, 3-month protection. Why wouldn't we? Why would you put it down for like half of that? Let's get it done. I've got about 6,000 square feet of lawn because I measured it before this spring and got it all good to go. So I know I need just a little over half of that bag. We're gonna set the Scott's to 6 1/4 and we're gonna roll. The reason we're using the Scott's, because I don't want funky stuff like bug pellets and other things like that, salt, in the earthway. So that's how we're gonna do it. Scott's for junk, earthway for fert. That's it. All right, so maybe I lied a little bit. It's experimental lawn. We're gonna experiment. I'm putting the whole bag down, all 10,000 square feet of it. Because what's it gonna do? Burn my lawn? No, it's not fertilizer, it's bug control. Our bug control's down now, and I don't think I lied as much as I thought I was gonna and put all that down extra, because at the recommended setting on a Scott's spreader at 6 1/4, there is no way that that was gonna cover 10,000 square feet. It barely covered my lawn, which is 6,000. So somebody's lying to us, because I was hauling pretty good and doing that Alan Hain double fast walk and putting some ass into it. So it's not gonna get you 10K, so go heavy. So that's it for this video, guys. Pretty short and not much to it when it comes to bug control. It's really a spread it and forget it kind of thing. It doesn't need watered in or any of that stuff. Basically, those bugs are gonna eat and gnaw on those granules and rub themselves in them, and it's gonna kill them. So that's pretty much it. For more videos just like this, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next episode.